Okay, let's prepare my favorite white creamy penny pasta. So take some pasta, add some water, and a little bit of oil just to avoid stickiness when you microwave it. So now let's microwave it exactly for 22 minutes. Yes, 22 exact time. Okay, I have this habit. Every time I cook, I put some hot water, salt added, and dump all my cutleries in that. Just to sanitize and in bits and pieces, try to enjoy your life, celebrate it. Me and my mad dance. I love me so much. So let's now prepare some pepper and garlic. Okay, our pasta is ready. Make sure to drain this water. Ta-da! Let's get into the process. Add some add some butter and immediately add some oil just to avoid overburning it and add some garlic. Ah, the aroma. I love it. All that you need is just 1 spoon of maida for pasta. Everything else is just the magic of mixing it well with the milk. Just keep adding milk and just keep mixing it well. Keep adding milk till you get the consistency that you desire for your pasta. Let's now add some cheese, some extra cheese. Okay, so let's add some cream. I just like it like that and keep mixing it. Now let's add our pepper and some salt. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, this is the consistency I desired. So let's now add our pasta. Mix it all well. So chili flakes. Anyway, it just hardly takes few seconds. Our fresh chili flakes is ready. Add it and combine it and mix it. Okay, so before anyone enjoys their cooked food, they first have to clean their kitchen. Ta-da! This is my dinner. Delicious. Let's get fresh and enjoy my dinner. I'm definitely enjoying it. I love it so much. Do you want some?